Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are back here as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails, and today we're gonna have fun with stamping polishes from the Born Pretty store. I've gotten two new polishes from the Born Pretty store. Cynthia sent them to me for review. Thank you so much, Cynthia. As always, I will link all the products I'm gonna use in this video in the description box below. And I have my 10% discount code from the Born Pretty store popping up once in a while in this video, but it will also be linked in the description box below, so check that out. These two polishes are stamping polishes and they are from the new Chameleon Pearl Stamping Polish series. I got two of the colors, there are 5, and I got the Purple Sky and the Moonlit. Look how pretty they are with the little holo stickers down here. These are 6 milliliter bottles. Somewhere it's printed, yeah, up here. I don't know if you can see that because it's really pearly shimmery. So we have this Purple Sky which shimmers, no, doch, Purple Sky, no, doch. Purple Sky which shimmers in pink and gold, really shimmery, yeah, like that, you can see it. And we have the Moonlit, and this one shimmers in silver and blue, a little green golden shimmer. Let's see if that chameleon effect comes up when we do the swatches. I will do swatches with a stamping plate that's also from the Born Pretty store, but this one I won in a recent giveaway from a really lovely YouTuber. She's German, she's called Lisa for Beauty. Thank you, Lisa, for the giveaway. And I'm happy that I won this plate. It's a cute plate that is now also really nice for spring. It has swirly designs with a little fantasy bird here on the side, and these two designs I'm actually gonna use for the swatches today. And then we have some kind of negative space image here in the middle, some more swirls over here, and then here we have some couples kissing and a lady and gentleman up here. So cute little plate, and I'm happy that I won that one. Anyway, let's start with the swatches. I will swatch on black and white tips, and I will do a little nail art on my nails. Yes, I lost 2 of my nails in a recent small accident that I had, so you can see how these look like now on short nails and on long nails in one video. How convenient is that? You know the drill. I'm gonna speed up the video now, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you afterwards with the finished swatches and my thoughts to those nail polishes. I'm back. I have done all the swatches. First of all, yes, the plate was really, or is really pretty. I like it. The pickup was perfect. I like these designs for spring. They are really pretty and it's a cute little plate. I love that one. For the polishes, the two polishes, I have to say I did not see a chameleon effect even after applying top coat. I used the No-SmudgeTopCoat from Born Pretty. And what do you think? I see a pearly effect, yes, but no shimmery chameleon effect that you have somehow transfer the color to another color. I don't know why they call them chameleon polishes, so that's just my personal opinion on that. I love the blue one. Look how pretty that is on the black and on the white. They look really, really pretty, the blue. The pink one, yeah, the pink one. I have to say, for me, it's actually a little boring. That's my phrase I would describe this polish, because it looks pretty first when you see it in the bottle, but then when you look at it, especially on the lighter backgrounds, it's really, it doesn't shimmer as nicely as the blue one, even with a top coat. The black background, yeah, it's not that prominent, but it's nicer on the black background definitely than the light one. My nails as well. Here you can see what I mean. Also on light backgrounds, it's just, yeah, it doesn't really do anything for me, I have to say. The blue one, lovely. I mean, look at that. So pretty. And again, the pink one beside it, it's just... What do you think? What's your opinion on that? That's my honest opinion. That's what I'm here for, to give you my honest opinion on that. So pink definitely is something, yeah. I would not use that one. Have to be honest about that. The blue is lovely. Look how pretty that is. Lovely and perfect for springtime manicures. That's gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And the designs on this plate are also perfect for it. Pickup is great and looks gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have some of these polishes? Are they different? Probably when you use them. Did I do something wrong? I don't know. That was it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. As always, if you enjoyed the video, I would be happy if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Up here or somewhere here comes the bubble where you can subscribe at the end of the video. Doesn't cost you anything and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.